Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33 and let me show you how to clear browsing data. So at first, open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on More icon and select History. Here, tap on Clear Browsing Data at the top of the list, where you will find basic and advanced features. So under basic, you can find browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And then under advanced, you've got few more, and these are saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. Then pick the time range and click on Clear Data. Click on OK, and that's it. As you can see, there is no longer history here. You can create it from scratch, and this is it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.